Hello everyone, this is Meera Gupta. In today's video, I am going to explain Chapter 2, The Tiger King from Class 12th Vista's book, which is written by the writer Kalki. Okay, so first let us know about the writer. The writer Ramaswamy Iyer Krishnamurti was born on 9 September 1899 and was died on 5 December 1954. His pen name was Kalki. Okay, he was broadly known as Kalki. He was a Tamil writer, journalist, poet, critic, and Indian independence activist. He penned down near about 120 short stories, 10 novelities, 5 novels, 3 historical romances, editorial and political writings, and hundreds of film and music reviews. Okay, now you are going to read very interesting, very funny, and satirical story, The Tiger King. First, you should know the theme of the story. The theme of the story is based on the cruelty of man in power towards animal. In other words, you can say the nature's revenge. Okay, now see the characters of the story. Now here so many characters are important, but the most important character of this story is the Tiger King, who was the hero of the story, and the Maharaja Pratibandh Puram. You can say he was the protagonist of the story. The next character is Crown Prince, who was 10-day-old baby. The next one is Chief Astrologer, a royal foreteller. Durai means chief leader. Next character is Diwan, who was a chief administrative office. And Durai Sani, the wife of the high-ranking British officer. Okay, now let's know about the story. This story is a satire on the rich and powerful kings of the olden times. Means the story The Tiger King is a satire on pride and stubbornness of those in power. The story is also based on those days when the kings lived under the thumbs rule of Britishers. In order to prove the prophecies of the fortune teller wrong, the king of Pratibandpuram mindlessly kills 99 tigers. But the 101, the cause of the king's death escapes his bullet. Ultimately, the king is killed by an inanimate tiger made of wood. Hence, the prophecy turns to be true despite the king's efforts to prove it wrong. Okay, that's why it is said, what is looted cannot be bloated. Okay, time and tide waits for none. Now, this is going to be very interesting story. Let's read the story. I'm going to read the story. You should listen it carefully. The starting paragraph is, the Maharaja Pratibandpuram is the hero of the story. He may be identified as His Highness Jamedar General Kiledar Major Nasatyagraha Samari, Maharaja Dhiraja Biswabhuna Samrata, Sir Jilani Jangjang Bahadur, MAD, ACTC or CRCK, but this name is often shortened to the Tiger King. Okay, now listen the explanation. The writer Kalki introduces the main character of the story, and the main character of the story is the king of Pratibandpuram. The king is a hero due to his bravery. He is given a list of titles to emphasize on his greatness. It was very difficult to call him by so many names. To sum up all the titles in one, the king is called the Tiger King. The reason for him being called so shall be revealed in the lesson ahead. As you will read the story, you will know the reason why the king is called the tiger king. Okay, now see the next para 2. I have come forward to tell you why he came to be known as the tiger king. I have no intention of pretending to advance, only to end in the strategic withdrawal. Even the threat of Stuka bomber will not throw me off track. The Stuka, if it likes, can beat a hasty retreat from my story. Okay, now see the difficult words of this paragraph. Pretending here means behaving so as to make it appear that something is the cause when in fact it is not. Strategic means calculated, and Stuka bomber means a German bomber aircraft that was used in the Second World War. Okay, now listen the explanation. Here, the writer tells us that he would let us know why the king was called the Tiger King. Everybody who will read this story, definitely this idea will come in his or her mind, that why the king was called the Tiger King. Okay, and or why the chapter named so, the Tiger King. He further promises the reader that he will not go back on his promises. Means he promises us that he will not go back on his promises, even if he is under the threat of an attack by Stuka bomber aircraft. Means if a Stuka bomber aircraft will come in front of him, he will not threat by that attack. He says that the Stuka bomber aircraft can go back because he is not scared of it, and he will tell the reader why the king was called the Tiger King. He was fixed, he was determined, he wanted to reveal the fact, he wanted to tell the reader why the king was called the Tiger King. Okay, now see the next para, and this is the last para of this video, and the next paragraph and the story we will continue in the next video. Right at the start, it is imperative to disclose a matter of vital importance about the Tiger King. Everyone who reads of him will experience the natural desire to meet a man of his indomitable courage face to face. But there is no chance of its fulfillment. As Bharat said to Ram about Dasratha, the Tiger King has reached that final abode of all living creatures. In other words, that the Tiger King is that. Now look at the difficult words of this para. Indomitable means undefeatable. Final abode means refers to the final residence of the soul, that is the heaven. Okay, now listen the explanation. The writer Kalki says that before elaborating about the Tiger King, one important thing about him was that any person who read about the Tiger King would be very excited to meet a man of such undefeatable courage. Do you also want to meet such kind of person? If yes, but if you have such type of desire, your desire is not going to fulfill. Why? But he says that there is no chance of meeting the Tiger King, as the Tiger King is already dead. Means such a courageous person, such a brave person already dead. You cannot meet him, and he has reached heaven. Okay, so here I end up this video here, and the next story we will continue in the next video. So let us summarize this story. Means here you have read that the writer wanted to reveal the fact why the king was called as the tiger king. Okay, means he said that if the reader who means if you or me, if we are reading this story, we are also very excited to meet such a brave king, such a courageous king, but our desire will not fulfilled. Why? Because such king was dead. He was already dead. Okay, so next story we will continue in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.